Hey there, legal eagles! Are you tired of wading through countless legal websites only to end up more confused than when you started? Well, buckle up because today I'm diving deep into legalharbor.com, your one-stop shop for all things legal. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag yourself an exclusive discount. First things first, let's talk about the user experience. Navigating legalharbor.com feels like a breeze on a sunny day. The website's layout is clean, intuitive, and super user-friendly. Whether you're a legal aficionado or a complete newbie, you'll find exactly what you're looking for without breaking a sweat. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty legal resources. Legalharbor.com offers a treasure trove of information. I'm talking about articles, guides, templates, and even legal forms. Need a will? They've got you covered. Looking for a lease agreement? Done and done. It's like having a personal legal assistant minus the hefty salary. But wait, there's more! One of my favorite features is their Q&A section. Got a burning legal question? Just post it. And a real qualified attorney will give you a detailed answer. It's like having a lawyer on speed dial, only way less intimidating. And let's not forget about their blog. LegalHarbor.com keeps you updated with the latest legal trends, news, and tips. Who knew staying informed could be this fun? You'll find yourself spiraling down a rabbit hole of legal trivia faster than you can say objection. Okay, let's get real for a second. What's the catch? Honestly, it's hard to find one. The site is affordable, packed with value, and here's the kicker, they offer a free trial. So you can dip your toes in the legal waters without committing right away. But don't just take my word for it. Head over to legalharbor.com and see for yourself. And remember, click the link in the description below to unlock your special discount. So if you're looking to simplify your legal life, legalharbor.com is your new best friend. Whether you're drafting documents, looking for legal advice, or just want to stay in the loop, this site has got it all. Thanks for tuning in, Legal Eagles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that link for your exclusive discount. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay sharp and stay legal.